Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Solana from your Ledger Nano X to your Phantom wallet in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so let's do this step by step to keep everything safe. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and updated to the latest firmware. You'll also need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your computer or mobile device and linked to your Solana account. Why do this? Phantom is great for quick transactions and staking, while Ledger keeps your keys offline for maximum security. Let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Solana app on the device. Connect it to your computer using the USB cable, and ensure it's recognized in the Ledger Live software. Step 2. In your Phantom wallet, go to the Receive section and copy your Solana wallet address. Double-check this address. It's crucial to avoid any mistakes that could send your funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Back on your Ledger, navigate to the Solana app and select the option to send Sol. Enter the amount you want to transfer, paste the Phantom wallet address, and review the transaction details carefully. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and approving it with your PIN. Once done, the transfer should process on the Solana blockchain, which usually takes just a few seconds to a minute. A quick tip: always verify network fees and use the mainnet to avoid any issues. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Solana from Ledger Nano X to Phantom in 2025. It's all about staying secure and efficient in the crypto world. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.